Unboxing Savage 7 by W.A.S.P. So yeah, I was worried when you, I don't know, when you order something, you always worry, is it going to come in one piece, is it going to be dented? But the packaging's pretty good. Burning shed. Right. Oh, how am I going to get into it? Scissors. Oh, it's exciting. Right, I should have taken out of this first. Never mind. But yeah, it's been packaged really well, which is good to see. Considering how much it was, you want it in one piece. Right. Oh my god. Right. Apologies. So yeah, so being a child of the 70s, I already have all this on vinyl from the 80s and the 90s, but to buy it again, just in one awesome box set, yeah, it's quite exciting. Especially as my vinyls are pretty old, and yeah, a bit scratched, as it does. Oh my goodness, right, here it is. So yeah, that was well packaged. Oh my god. W.A.S.P. Best band ever. Alright, let's move this out the way. Ooh, let's take the cellophane off. This is definitely, yeah, definitely brightened up my day. I'm gonna have to keep that because the stickers on the cellophane. Let's keep those stickers. Wow. Oh, it feels really nice. Yeah. So you got W.A.S.P. The Savage 7, 84 to 92. Oh my god. There he is. There's the man. Wow. Oh, that's cool. So they're in a nice little, look, nice little case. So yeah, so taking them out, what have we got on top? Ooh. So there's a book. This will be the, so starting at the back, this is how I flick through. So you've got all the albums mentioned. So obviously W.A.S.P. from 84, Last Command from 85, Inside Electric Circus from 86, Live in the Raw from 87, Headless Children 89, Crimson Idol, which is my favourite. I fucking love that album, June 92. And then we got a bonus album of B-sides. So it's called Savage 7, but really it's left the 5 kind of first albums, the live album, and then bonus tracks, which is aha, they've got Animal on the bonus. Oh my god, yeah. Cover of Painted Black. Yeah. Wow. So, the story of Jonathan. Blackie Lawless on the PMRC, playing with the New York Dolls. What a nice, oh, there's some really nice pictures in here. Oh my goodness. So yeah, just a bit more on the Crimson Idol, which yeah, which you'd expect. And cool, nice bit on Headless Children. Wow. That's a nice like Metal Hammer colour picture. Oh my god, Inside the Electric Circus, yeah, they kind of talk about all the albums. And there's some great pictures in here. Don't want to spoil all of it. But yeah, it's very, very... Oh, it just feels really nice quality as well. And yeah, today's. Okay, so there's that gorgeous book. And then, so that's the bonus tracks. Oh my god, Crimson Idol. I love this album. And yeah, I think I read they've all been remastered on half speed, so the quality is going to be really cool. Headless Children. Oh, I love this. Oh, I loved this when I was a teenager. W.A.S.P Live in the Raw. Oh, I've got the original upstairs. I should have brought my originals down. Electric Circus. Love it. Last Command. And the one that started it all was... Oh, I've got matching t-shirts. Wow, I'm sure they said there was like, oh, what else? What's that? It's supposed to be some kind of certificate somewhere. Don't know where that is. Wow, so that's the first one. I've got kind of a cool, kind of cool little booklet in there. Tiny magazine. So yeah, these are, I think they're limited to 2,000 copies in total. What's in this one? Then The Last Command. Ooh! I think we've got a poster. Oh wow. There's, yeah, pretty gorgeous picture of gorgeous Blackie. I think I'm a bit too old to have posters on my bedroom wall. I'm not sure my partner would like it. Oh, that's cool. Right, is anything hiding in this one? No, nothing hiding in the Electric Circus. Anything hiding in Live in the Raw? No, nothing hiding in there. Anything hiding in Headless Children? Yeah, Crimson Idol's pretty epic. So you've got obviously two albums in the Crimson Idol. Just peeking inside, the inside is printed. Can't you see? There's things, hidden things going on inside there. Back in. Right, oh, there it is. So what? So my number, I've got 1,393. There we go. I wonder who, the person who's got 666. I bet they're well chuffed. But yeah, 1,393 of 2,000 copies worldwide. It's got your little certificate. Oh my god, this is amazing! Right, this is so cool. I'm gonna have to have a good sit and read of this. So, unfortunately, I don't have a record player at the moment. I've put a record player on my Christmas list, so fingers crossed. Father Christmas might buy me a new record player. Oh my god! So yeah, I'm well excited. So yeah, love W.A.S.P, love